Hello and welcome to What's in the Box. Finally, it's here, guys. The new Mini XRT. Look at this box. Hey guys, welcome back to What's in the Box. Today we have something special. The all new Traxxas Mini XRT in this stunning green. I've been waiting for this one to see how it compares to my Mini Max, and yeah, I'm pretty curious how this guy will perform. For sure, it looks awesome. Look at this stance, what a beauty! Out of the box, beautiful finish, lower profile, a complete new world compared to the Mini Max. So the first thing you notice is how low and wide this thing sits. The body finish is incredible. The screen really pops in the light. No clips, just like the Big Brothers, which makes it so easy to get the chassis. Yeah, Millennium Power graphics tires, brushless, 3S. Under the hood we have the Millennium brushless system. It's a powerhouse for those who don't know a lot about Traxxas. Look at the tires, look at the color. This is awesome. I can't wait to get this thing going. Suspension feels a bit stiff, but yeah, I guess this should be awesome to drive on concrete and asphalt. And as you can see, it got the new air intake, so it's, yeah, you could say the V2 version of the new Mini XRT. So I don't think it will look a long time this clean, but as you can see, at least you got everything you need, like the 2S LiPo included in the box. It's the same one you can get with the Mini Max. So besides that, you get the usual stickers, some very basic tools, the USB charger, and of course the manual. So I highly suggest you should read the manual first. And here it is in action. I already mounted a little fan on the motor, so let's see what this little fellow can do. Enjoy the ride and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.